Mr. Chandrashekhar, would you like to jump in on this? On the one hand, you've got Byju's, which wants to lay off a lot of people. They've announced plans to lay off, I believe, 2,500 odd people. Their plans in Thiruvananthapuram got thwarted after the involvement of the state government, which was peculiar at one level, but important nonetheless. And yet, here's a company that goes and recruits Lionel Messi as their global ambassador. So, are human beings entirely dispensable? I mean, do they not carry any weight?
Vishnu, certainly, I think the optics of that combination is really a bit unfortunate. But I think what we are seeing, and Twitter may be today's headline and Byju's may be yesterday's headline, but I think there is a more secular trend which is underway, and that is the fact that investors have shifted their focus from eyeballs and valuations to revenues and profitability, or at least a clear path to profitability. That has been going on for a while. Even before COVID it had started. What has happened after COVID is that in COVID we saw an accelerated growth of digital because of compulsion in sectors like education and e-commerce and many other sectors. And there was a certain expectation of continued growth, which post-COVID has not it has not played out in exactly the way that it was thought or at the level that which people were expecting. It is a bit more muted because, for example, in areas like education, it's quite well known that purely digital, has its limitations. In COVID time, there was a compulsion. Post-COVID, the compulsion has reduced. So all of these factors, along with general expectation of a slowdown in the economy globally, and also what we see happening in big tech in the US, all of these factors have come together and put pressure on a lot of the startups.
Right.